in today's video, we'll be checking the login with a command that will show you which user is operating currently. So in Linux, we have a super user, and the super user is always named the root. This is actually the system administrator, and this one has all the privileges like adding users, changing passwords, and also changing other privileges. So you don't want anyone just changing the privileges and manipulating your system. You want the root user or the super user who has the knowledge to operate your system. So to check whether you are operating under the root user, we'll use a command called whoami, because many of the tools actually won't work unless you're under the root user. So we'll use the whoami command. So you open your terminal. When you're logged in, you open your terminal, then just type the whoami command, then you press enter. And as you can see, we are under the root user. So if I was using another user, it will return that username. So that's it to check the current user.